Anika.
Let's learn some vegetable names. Are you ready? Let's go. Broccoli. Broccoli. Say it with me. Broccoli. Broccoli. Carrot. Carrot. Say it with me. Carrot. Carrot. Pepper. Pepper. Say it with me. Pepper. Pepper. Onion. Onion. Say it with me. Onion. Onion. Tomato. Tomato. Say it with me. Tomato. Tomato. Potato. Potato. Say it with me. Potato. Potato. Cucumber. Cucumber. Say it with me. Cucumber. Cucumber. Lettuce. Lettuce. Say it with me. Lettuce. Lettuce. Spinach. Spinach. Say it with me. Spinach. Spinach. Peas. Peas. Say it with me. Peas. Peas. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Say it with me. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Corn. Corn. Say it with me. Corn. Corn. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Say it with me. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Zucchini. Zucchini. Say it with me. Zucchini. Zucchini. Eggplant. Eggplant. Say it with me. Eggplant. Eggplant. Green beans. Green beans. Say it with me. Green beans. Green beans. Radish. Radish. Say it with me. Radish. Radish. Celery. Celery. Say it with me. Celery. Celery. Garlic. Garlic. Say it with me. Garlic. Garlic. Beetroot. Beetroot. Say it with me. Beetroot. Beetroot. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Say it with me. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Say it with me. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Asparagus. Asparagus. Say it with me. Asparagus. Asparagus. Artichoke. Artichoke. Say it with me. Artichoke. Artichoke. Kale. Kale. Say it with me. Kale. Kale. Turnip. Turnip. Say it with me. Turnip. Turnip. Leek. Leek. Say it with me. Leek. Leek. Cabbage. Cabbage. Say it with me. Cabbage. Cabbage. Okra. Okra. Say it with me. Okra. Okra. Squash. Squash. Say it with me. Squash. Squash. If you had fun, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more cool stuff like this, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the magic notification bell so you never miss a new adventure. Until our next adventure together, keep being curious and exploring the world around you. See you soon!
Teacher Anika.